I'm okay with AI being used for science to cure disease, for instance, right? The stuff you're doing in isomorphic labs.
Yeah.
But I don't like the fact that it's recreating music or, the work that a filmmaker might have done, or, maybe even an ad agency. But I wonder if there's a point to be made here about sort of cross-discipline capabilities, especially when it comes to AI, where, on the one hand over here, you might be working at Isomorphic on a virtual cell, right? Which we can't do today, but maybe one day we'll be able to actually see how a cell works, right, in real time. And over here, where you're creating these world-class video models that may one day be able to sort of analyze that virtual cell and potentially help, cure disease, create new therapies. Do you sort of see that happening down the road? I mean, help us understand.
Yeah, so the whole thesis behind AGI as a term and our original goal at DeepMind in the very beginning was to create this general purpose intelligent system that could learn from almost any input and then generate useful insights or spot useful patterns and then output that in almost any way, right? That's obviously how the human mind works. And look at modern civilization that we've created with our hunter-gatherer brains. It's pretty unbelievable if you think about how that happened. And that's really what we know as general intelligence. And that's what we try to focus on from the beginning of DeepMind and now the whole AI field of like systems that are general and that learn rather than being hard-coded, hard-programmed with the answer, which is, it's funny to think back now, but that's what the AI field used to do for the first 50, 60 years of AI as a field. Things like Deep Blue, the chess program, and so on. And so what that means is that